In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Hubstaff. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get the app running on your device without any confusion. Start by heading to Hubstaff's website and signing in. If you're new, take a moment to create an account so you can access the download options. It's best to have a stable internet connection and any necessary permissions to install software on your device before you begin, especially if you're on a work computer. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that, then choose Download the app. That link takes you straight to Hubstaff's official download page, which neatly organizes everything you need. On this page, you'll see three main areas: mobile, extensions, and desktop. If you want to track time on the go, choose mobile and pick the App Store for your device. This is ideal if you're frequently away from your desk and want to keep your time tracking consistent across devices. If you prefer to track directly from your browser, head to Extensions. Choose the extension that matches your browser and install it. Extensions are great for lightweight tracking and quick access during your day without opening a standalone app. For the full featured experience, select Desktop. Here you'll see options for Mac OS, Linux, and Windows. Choose the operating system that matches your computer. This ensures you get the correct version with the best performance and compatibility for your setup. Click Download for your platform. Wait for the file to finish downloading, then open it from your Downloads folder. On Windows, that will typically be in .exe file. On Mac OS or Linux, open the installer appropriate to your system. If your device asks for permission to run the installer, confirm and proceed. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will guide you through each prompt, and the default options are usually fine for most users. When the installation completes, you're all set. You can launch Hubstaff from your applications or start menu and proceed with your usual workflow. If something doesn't download right away, check your connection, make sure you selected the correct platform, and try again from the Download the App link under your profile. That's the entire process: quick, straightforward, and reliable.